Yo, what up YouTube? It's Luke W coming back at you guys. I hope you're all having a great day. I'm now having a great day, but straight up yesterday my product listing got suspended. I almost just my britches, okay, you know what I'm saying? Straight up I got the scariest email of my Amazon selling career. Let me share with you how I went about fixing it in just a matter of an hour and got it back up selling and everything again. Oh my god, this thing freaked me out though. So let me share with you how to combat any kind of suspended listing that you may have and share with you how we're going to do that. I have a bunch of steps that you can do if you ever run into any crazy problem like this. But pretty much I got this email from seller support. Oh my god, it was so freaking scary. It pretty much says, "Hey, greetings from Amazon. Your listing has been closed because of a negative customer feedback experience of over 20% on recent orders." And I was like, what? I haven't even had more than 2 refunds on my more than 50 items shipped. And it shows down here I had 30 units shipped and apparently 6 of them were defective. Now, some of the customer comments included that it was a used product. I was like, there's no freaking way this thing is used. I've sourced it from my supplier. We've gone over everything. There's no way it's used. It also said that the people can't turn it on. I was like, what? I have all the instructions for that. And now pretty much it gave me a link that I could go ahead and click on and type in basically what I needed to do to my listing to fix the problem immediately. So they suspended my listing, they took my product down. Luckily there was a link that all I had to do was click on it and type in basically what I'm gonna do to fix and mitigate the customer problems that they've received. Now, I wasn't just going to type this in and say, okay, that's good, because I was still baffled at how 6 items came in defective. And as we can see here, I've been tracking notes, man, like every day this month, just going hard and stuff. But every day I'm writing goals down, and one of my goals there was to get on the phone with Amazon and get my suspended listing fixed. So what I found out after this phone call was actually some really important information I want to share with you guys. So when you're making a shipping plan, you got your new product going, it's going to say, do you want manufacturer barcodes or Amazon barcodes? Now, I've always been told in every course I've ever taken, which is 4 different Amazon courses, to just use the manufacturer barcode. You're going to send that over to your supplier. They're going to sticker it on each one of your products, right? That's what I was believing that was the case, and that's all I ever had to do. And that barcode is always going to start with a B07, so your ASIN's always going to start with B07 and stuff like that. Now, that's actually a barcode that's going to make your product commingled with other inventory. So literally, Amazon told me there's another seller with the same freaking barcode as me that was getting returns on their product, and basically it was reflecting on my product itself. So even though I hadn't had defective items, because I had shared the same barcode as someone else, because I was using the manufacturer barcode, I was now getting my products mixed in with others, and I don't even know really specifically all the details behind this, but what I know that I need to do in the future is now use the Amazon barcode, and that's going to be with an X00. It starts with X00. And pretty much that's going to make it so my inventory is no longer commingled with other people's units. What my units are what my units are, and when a customer buys it, they're going to get my unit, not someone's used item that they've tried to sell on my listing or any of that garbage. I was freaking out. So I'm going to go ahead with my next shipment, which I literally need to make. I can do a little product update while we're at it. I'll show you my sales, and I've been freaking really stoked with this product, like almost really happy with it. I mean, I've only had 1 sale of my new product today, and I had another sale of an older product. But you can see, and I was looking at my charts there inside of Seller Central, that this product is literally just blowing all the rest of the ones that I've made out of the water. I got the craziest bundle I'm about to do that no one else is doing, and my supplier's like, whoa, very good idea, Luke. I think you're going to get a lot of sales. I was like, yes, we are. Now, I have a few other things I want to share with you guys. So basically, whenever you talk to seller support, you need to ask for a US representative. They're going to help you out a ton. And I got on the phone with them as well and talked to them about sponsored products and my advertising campaigns. And that's why I just made that video about negative keywords and how to optimize your automatic PPC campaign to almost make it more like a manual campaign, but you're still getting a ton of traffic, and that's normally what automatic campaigns do. Another thing that automatic PPC campaigns do is let you show up under other product detail pages. So competitors' listings, your product can show up there, but it can't show up there with any manual PPC campaign. That's why I actually pull the reports from my automatic campaign, and then I throw the best keywords that are converting best into a manual campaign. I use exact match and phrase match terms for that, and then I go ahead and up the bid higher than I am using in my automatic campaign. So if you have any other questions about PPC or any of the things I'm talking about, drop a comment below. And Luke W's going hard right now. Throw a thumbs up for this video. It really helps YouTube rank me in the videos and stuff. So I hope you guys can go ahead and drop a thumbs up for your boy and subscribe if you haven't already. But guys, I mean, straight up, some of the big news is basically I've got other sellers, my friends that started in, one of my friends started in January, and he's making $20,000 in revenue every 2 weeks, so 10 grand a week. And his entire listing as well got suspended and shut down. This is like so freaking scary to happen to any Amazon seller, because when you have all of your things riding on one single product and it shuts down, then you're basically out of business, you're out of luck. Now what you can do to combat this is put an insert card in your product packaging that you've told your supplier, I need this insert card in there. You make a Facebook page. I got tons of videos on this. Make a Facebook page, get a tons of likes on it, and drive the customers with your insert card over from Amazon to go like your Facebook page and receive a discount coupon on their next purchase for your product that's selling on Amazon. At that point, you can actually talk to your customers like face to face, well, through a message on Facebook, and say, what do you guys want to see better in my product, and all this other great stuff. So, and one thing that's really scary that's happened to my other friend is there's literally negative feedback Facebook groups for Amazon sellers that are just freaking bastards, and they're trying to like put 1-star reviews on people's products that are doing well. They're trying to tear down people that are doing great on Amazon, like one of my other friends who's selling his product, and he got 3 1-star reviews in one day. And the reviews literally just say the product's cheap, it's garbage, it's garbage. And now he's freaking out, and I told him you need to call seller support, and pretty much they can see, seller support can see who's leaving the reviews. And if the person's leaving a review and they're a seller on Amazon who happens to sell the same product as you, that makes a great case for you to be able to be like, yeah, this guy just bought my product and left a verified review and said it's a piece of garbage, but the guy's my direct competitor, so you should take his negative review off. And there's a lot of things that can go into this. Amazon's a great freaking business model, but sometimes you gotta overcome some hurdles, and competitors aren't gonna be all nice to you. It's kind of cutthroat at some points, and that's why having some guidance is really good for you guys. That's why I always recommend getting into a course. I made a post in this FBA Heroes Facebook group last night about the video I made about negative keywords, and this Facebook group, I literally I got 100-something comments on my single post and directed all these people to my video. Sadly, I straight up like got kicked out of that group because they said like no self-promoting. I didn't post my own video in that group, but a lot of people wanted to say, hey, I want to see the video that you made. So I directed all those people to that. Maybe a bad idea, but you know, that's why I kind of made a Facebook group of my own. We already got 100-something people in there, but I encourage you guys to look in the description below, and you can join our closed Facebook group, but just pretty much drop a comment or whatever, and I'm sure I'll let you guys in, no biggie. But this is pretty much what the world is coming to, guys. It's a crazy world out there when you're an entrepreneur hustling on your own, and when you can have someone like a mentor to help you along the way, and it's going to help you save a ton of money and a ton of time, a ton of mistakes, and everything in between. So that's as well why I made an Amazon seller course for you guys. It's going to be down there again in the description. I literally only have 7 or 8 students, so I'm trying to give you guys the most utmost respect and care, and just give you the most personalized experience that you can possibly get with straight up phone calls. I'm giving all my students my phone number up until I get to 20 or something students, and then after that we have to just see how much I can really be helping everyone and stuff. But for the first guys that get this, I'm giving you guys the best freaking content and accessibility that you can possibly hope for, because all these other courses that are out there, they don't offer you all the accessibility that you need. They're giving you 3-word responses while they're driving Lamborghinis through Rodeo Drive in California. So this is what I'm talking about, guys. I'm a serious hustler, man. We got May 4th here, May 5th, like May 6th, dude. Notes every single day. Every day I'm hustling. I'm writing my goals down. I'm writing check boxes next to them, and I'm checking off my accomplishments. So I encourage you guys to don't be lazy. Get down and dirty. Write some goals out for the day. Just write May 24th. Write a few goals. Put checks next to them and complete it. And you guys are going to feel great. You're going to feel accomplished that you're doing meaningful work. So thanks a lot, guys. This is kind of like almost a rant video. Luke's feeling a little hyped up. But I want you guys to take some freaking action and just start kicking ass, guys, all right? Now, if you're not in a course and you're wasting all your time looking all over the web for YouTube videos, they're going to give you the answers on YouTube, but the guys that make them aren't going to be there to help you. So that's why you straight up need a course to like have a real mentor to help you along with it. And it's going to save you so much time. Like, that's all I can say. And I feel like I'm going to be one of the dudes that's really going to go hardcore and help you guys the most out of any other mentor out there that's doing Amazon courses, because they're all too big on their YouTube channels. They got too many subscribers. They got too many comments and stuff coming in. Luckily, my channel's small, and that's why you guys need to hop on the channels when they're small and growing, and there's some dude behind that screen of yours that's going hardcore with this stuff. So I encourage you guys, reach out to me. Dude reached out to me from Montreal, Canada. In 5 minutes, I answered his question. We ended up hopping on a Skype call the same day. Like, I'm here for you guys. Let's freaking get it. Luke W signing out. Peace.